Hey guys, Datch here from ecommerce.com. Today I'm going to show you how to add a video to your Shopify homepage. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the online store section on the left-hand side. Next, click on Customize to access the theme editor. Now let's add the video section. Navigate to the Sections tab and look for the Add Section button. Scroll down until you see the video option. Click on it to add it to your home page, and you'll see that the placeholder section appears. Click on the video to open the settings menu. Here you can customize your video section, add a cover image, align the image, and insert the video URL. Make sure to use a link from a supported platform like YouTube or Vimeo. Take a moment to preview your changes. When you're satisfied, hit save and apply the changes. And there you have it. Adding a video to your Shopify homepage is as easy as that. If you have any questions or if there's a specific tutorial that you'd like to see, let me know in the comments down below. And if you're trying to optimize your shopping campaigns to make more money, then check out our free Google Shopping course. You'll learn everything you need to optimize and scale your shopping campaigns, all for free. I'll leave a link to it down below. And if you like this video, hit a thumbs up, leave a comment.